particular aircraft, MSN-4, powered by the Engine Alliance engines. 2.5 years into its commercial service, the young fleet of 380s of 31 aircraft already in service have met all their commitments, delivering low fuel burn and low operating costs. To date, the A380 program has received some 234 firm orders from 17 customers. Seating capacity, well, it's entirely up to the airline, really. Anything between, well, I suppose 0, but you can have 400 up to 800 passenger seats. A380 is an essential part of the solution to sustained growth. Before, with less. Just the skies here at Farnborough. Of course, by having more passengers in an aircraft, it alleviates traffic congestion at busy airports. By transporting more passengers,